My name is Kevin Gervais. This is FIR 4311, Unit 3 project. Bottom line up front, our mission is to help reduce fire injuries and fire deaths within our community. We accomplish this by presenting effective fire and life safety education programs, conducting effective fire inspections, follow-up inspections to help minimize fire hazards, and perform final inspections for new construction projects that are built within the city to verify their code compliance. We also conduct fire investigations to determine fire cause so that we can identify trends and problems related to fire causation and assist the public in areas of fire and life safety. Our educational programs begin with the pre-K to fifth grade level. We reach out to local schools, daycares, and put on events in the Civic Center periodically. This is typically carried out within the month of October. Altogether, school programs educate approximately 8,000 children. Some years we've flexed up to close to 10,000 children. We also offer annual fire inspections. This is a requirement for our commercial structures. Our fire inspections can also include concert halls and special indoor venues and outdoor events, which also include our beloved fireworks displays for public viewing. We'll do inspections prior to the event kickoff on those types of activities. We offer certificates of occupancy for new businesses. This is a fire inspection that is required prior to the business occupancy. We offer new construction and final inspection on new construction projects conducted to ensure compliance with current fire and life safety codes. As stated above, I already touched on our fire investigation team investigates to determine the cause of the fires. Our Standards and Codes Enforcement Division is responsible for enforcing basic maintenance standards on private properties. I'm going to touch on to a few types of fire tests and fire ratings. So for fire tests of building construction materials, I'll just open up with two different types of tests you may have seen and or may be familiar with. The American Standard of Testing and Materials, the ASTM E119, or UL, Underwriter Laboratories 263. So the ASTM E119 fire test is used to evaluate the duration for which a certain building elements can contain a fire, retain their structural integrity, or exhibit both properties during a predetermined test exposure. Now, in order for the structure to attain the fire rating or fire resistance rating, so that's going to be your FIR, and then there's going to be a number associated behind that. That number is the time in minutes that it can withstand this certain fire event. So in this example, FIR 90. This means that the assembly must resist fire in each of the three ways above for 90 minutes. The three ways are time until failure, temperature required to cause failure, or strength of load capacity at a certain temperature. So, in order to attain certification that it can withstand this fire event for 90 minutes, it must demonstrate that it can hold all three of these: time, temperature, and strength for that given time period. Uh, we've also got the difference between fire resistant rating and fire protection ratings. Now that all depends on the material within the building structure. Fire resistance ratings are typically contained and issued out to walls, floors, ceilings of the structure there. Fire protection, the difference on that is going to be your doors and windows. Uh, see, I've got any questions at this point I can entertain, and we can go over anything that you may have a question to as information that we covered. Nothing? Excellent. All right. I thank you for your time. Have a good day.